Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the manufacturing date on your HP OMEN Transcend 14. And as you may notice, this is the back of the laptop. I have this certified refurbished sticker. You may have a different one if your laptop isn't refurbished, but you should at some point find the serial number. So it says serial here. Maybe I can zoom it in a bit. So it's like 5CD something. And what's important is to look at the 4th, 5th, and 6th digit of that serial number. So the 4th is, in my case, 5, then 405 I have. So the first of these 3 digits, which is the 4th one, will be the last digit of the year of manufacture. So in my case, it'll be 2024. Then 05 means the week of that year. So it'll be the 5th week of 2024. And this is my manufacture date. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.